can download my blog template in AutoCAD link below the description. For the hardware part, we use ESP32. We're gonna connect V in to the positive and ground to the negative. Next is the ultrasonic sensors. We're gonna start with VCC to the positive. And next is trick. We're gonna connect to the D27. And the echo we're gonna connect with pin D26. And for the ground, we're gonna connect to the negative like this. Next is the servo. Is gonna have three colors of the white. For the first color is brown. We're gonna connect brown with the ground is a negative. And connect the red one with the VCC is positive. And the last one is yellow one. We're gonna connect with D13 of the ESP32 like this. And the last one is batteries. So we use the AA batteries to make that 5 to 6 volt. For the red white is a positive side and the black is a negative. So when we connect the positive and the negative like this, ESP will run.
For the software part, first we need to define the Bing code like this. You can get it from the Bing applications. And all of this is a libraries. First is a Wi-Fi.h and Wi-Fi client used from connect to the Wi-Fi, and inclusive Bing ESP32 used for connect to the ESP32. And this one is servo.h is a library for the servo used to connect to the servo. And this one is Alma is a library of the ultrasonics used to connect to the ultrasonic. And the last two of these is a library of the time setting in the Bing applications. Then this one is a token. You can get the token from your device. In the data part, you can get this token in the Bing applications. First is a Wi-Fi name and second is Wi-Fi password. So next is constant in, direct pin and echo pin. Direct pin in the pin 27 and echo pin in the pin 26 is used for the ultrasonic sensor. This one is static constant in servo pin used for the servo in the pin 13. This one is long duration and in distance used from the ultrasonic. Three of these is a set hour, set minute, set sec used from the time setting in the Bing applications. Next is servo. My servo, that means we can use the servo by the name that my servo. So two of these is used from the time setting in the Bring applications. For this code, it means we can use the time zone, Thai time zone, for do the Bring application, Bring time setting. But if you want to change the zone of the time, you can change it to later. Here, example, you need to change to the EU time zone. You can type EU and the time zone will change to Thailand time zone to EU time zone. Next is the Bring Right V0. This is a code from the time setting in the Bring applications. For this one, it Bring Right V1. Bring Right V1 is a code from the bottom in the Bring application. If we put the bottom, the value will be equal 1 and the servo will run to 180 degrees. If we didn't touch it, we didn't push it, the value will be 0 and then my servo will turn back to the 0 degree. So next is a voice setup. First, pin mode of the tick pin is output and echo pin is the input. My servo attack is a servo pin, and the next is while loop. We have to declare the ultra for the ultrasonic sensor, and this is the code of the ultrasonic sensor. If distance less than 50, serial pin will pin the LiLA is here in the serial monitor, and the servo will run to 180 degrees and delay for the 1000, and then my servo will turn back to the 0 degree and delay to 1000. So time client update is the code of the time setting in the Bring applications. Time client update is mean it will show the real time, and this one is within the real time from the time client update. Sprintf is used from convert string to integers or something like that. This one it will convert to the integer because we use the %d. So we get set hours, it means it's a 6 in the integer type. And the last one is void ultra, used for the ultrasonics. First, digital write, tick pin low and delay microsecond 2. It means it will clear the tick pin when it's low. So next is a digital write tick pin high, delay microsecond 10, and digital write tick pin low. It means set the tick pin on high state for the 10 microsecond and show the digital write tick pin low. It means clear the tick pin. Duration is lead. The echo pin return the sound wave travel time in a microsecond, and the distance is calculated by duration multiplied by 0.034 and divided by 2. Next is the serial pin distance. It will show the distance in the serial monitor, and the last one is Bring LAN for run the Bring application. That's it for the software part.